Pile Dynamics Incorporated is the largest manufacturer of industry-standard, high-quality deep foundation testing solutions worldwide. The Pile Installation Recorder, or pir-q, is an automated monitoring equipment that assists in the installation of augered cast-in-place, continuous flight auger, and drill displacement piles by monitoring pumped grout or concrete as a function of depth in real time. The equipment may be installed in any crane, including those operating with low headroom. The system allows the operator easy visual monitoring during installation of every pile on the job. All PDI products excel in quality, reliability, accuracy, and durability. For additional information, visit www.pile.com or contact us at info@pile.com today.